Well, the game has changed. We have the Trump effect in play with the mandated election that the Trump campaign took this last week. We have new optimism, new exuberance in the marketplace. A lot of things are going to play out, I think, very, very well, but there's still some headwinds to deal with. And even Trump, with his invigorated new economy, his drill baby drill, open up the spigots, get this economy cranking again, we still got to deal with the elephant in the room, and that is the debt and deficit spending. And that's one thing that neither campaign proponent really looked at all. In fact, I believe that if you had to put one word on Trump, besides the fact that he knows what he wants, he knows what he's going to get. He's had 4 years to think about getting back at the helm of the presidency and what he's going to do to take charge. We've already seen world leaders step up and reach out to him. We've seen some decibel decrease in the geopolitical tensions. Not sure exactly where that's going to go between Russia and Ukraine, the Middle East and Iran and Israel. We'll see. But remember, Trump had no new wars during his last administration between 2016 and 2020. Can he do it again? We'll see. People take him seriously, and I'll say that. He's a man of conviction. You know where he stands, whether you like him or not, and I think that's what real leadership is. So back to the issues at hand. Yes, he's going to open up the spigots. He's going to deregulate. He is going to open up the ability for this country to really take the natural resources we have in liquid natural gas and in oil and open that up. So likely we'll have decreasing energy prices, which is great for any economy. Cheap energy means the economy can run well. There's going to be, I think, new optimism across the board with business owners and with consumers, even though the debt is issue with corporate and personal debt is still sky high. That's going to take some time to work out. So I'm not sure we're going to have a hard landing. I'm not sure we're going to have a soft landing. I'm not sure where things are going to land, but I think there's renewed optimism. I believe what we have to do is still realize that we've got to be on the forefront of our own game and understand where we're advocating for the allocation of our assets. I don't think the passive investor of years past, putting the money in a 401k, giving it to a money manager, keeping your fingers crossed, is going to work. It's going to be something where we've got to slice and dice and understand your allocations, and that means you're going to need education and connection to the best of the best. I'm hosting a webinar next Thursday, November 14th, 8 p.m. Central. I'm bringing on some top-tier people that I think will really weigh into the equation. I'm bringing Mr. David McElhaney. I'm bringing Mr. Ted Oakley and Ms. Frances Stacy. 3 people who have been in the media for many, many years. They're wealth managers. They've been through the cycles and bring a preponderance of experience and I think evidence and data, most importantly, so we can foresee and forecast some of the trends that we need to be looking at in terms of allocating, increasing, preserving, and maintaining our wealth. It's going to be very, very important. Inflationary times ahead for sure. And that means, I believe, more realization, more avocation for hard assets, not so much in the financial marketplace, but again, it's all for you to decide. You need some education. Be there next Thursday. That's November 14th, 8 p.m. Central. Just register below, and I'd love to see you there. It's going to be a great conversation we'll have with 3 great people.